Hi, I want to talk a bill very close to my heart. It's a bill that I worked on more than 10 years ago. As legislators, we also take inspiration from things around us, things we've experienced. And I was a student athlete in my high school days and my college days. And I know how difficult it is to be a student athlete. You have to perform in school and then you also have to perform in your sport. I learned even more when I was no longer a student athlete, but my daughters were student athletes. Sometime around 2013, I met a student athlete. Her name is Mikey Bartolome. She had just graduated from high school and she wanted to swim for UP. The high school that she was going to, which was UST, refused to release her. They expected her to swim and perform for UST. We had to help this young girl exercise her right to choose the university where she wanted to study and the university where she wanted to compete. And because of that, this bill was created. I drafted this bill, I defended this bill, and it became a law. And this is the law that primarily focuses on the residency issue to prevent young athletes from being able to choose the university of their choice. There were other issues that we wanted to cover, but because of the urgency of the residency issue, we carved out that portion and created that bill, which is now a law. Napakaraming pagkakataon para sa mga kabataan all over the country na makamit ang edukasyon na gusto nila dahil sa sports. Yung talent ng isang bata, yung sipag at tiyaga na binuhos niya sa pagiging atleta, pwede niyang gamitin yon to obtain a university education. Pero habang nag-aaral sila, gusto natin na mabigyan sila ng proteksyon. Alam niyo na ho yung nangyari dun sa dalawang basketball athletes ng Ateneo, di ba? So, itong bill na ito, bagamat yung nangyaring trahedya, masasabi kong covered din naman nung batas na natin, yung kinikwento kong we already have such a law. But this is a more comprehensive law kasi napakaraming issue surrounding the life of a student athlete. Pero wag ho nating kalimutan na ang sentro po nito is yung mismong tao, yung student athlete. I-remind ko din po, kaya po tinawag na student athlete kasi priority niya din yung pag-aaral niya. And we want our laws to also reflect the importance of that, na hindi rin sila pipigilan ng school. At the end of the day, yung bata naman ang pipili. Kung gusto niya to represent their country, and I hope they take that opportunity, the school should also support that. We want this to be a very good law for our student athletes.